Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating intersection of the cutting-edge fields, biotechnology and blockchain. It sounds complex, but the idea behind it could revolutionize medicine as we know it. So, grab a coffee, and let's get into it. Imagine the sheer amount of data generated in biotech every single day. We're talking about genomic sequences, clinical trial results, patient health records. It's a goldmine of information that could lead to groundbreaking cures and treatments. But there's a huge problem. This data is often locked away in silos. Hospitals, research labs, and pharmaceutical companies all hold their own pieces of the puzzle. But they're hesitant to share. Why? Well, for good reason. Patient privacy is paramount. Nobody wants their sensitive genetic or medical information getting into the wrong hands. Then there's data integrity. How can you be sure the data hasn't been tampered with? And finally, there are competitive concerns. Companies invest billions in research, and they need to protect their intellectual property. These hurdles slow down progress and make collaboration incredibly difficult. It is like trying to build a complex machine when every engineer has their own set of blueprints and refuses to show them to anyone else. This is where blockchain technology steps in. Not as a cryptocurrency, but as a revolutionary ledger system. Think of blockchain as a shared, unchangeable digital notebook. Every time a new piece of data is added, say, a result from a clinical trial, it is recorded as a block and cryptographically linked to the previous one, creating a chain. This chain is distributed across a network of computers, meaning there's no single point of failure and no single person in control. So, how does this help biotech? First, security and privacy. With blockchain, patient data can be encrypted and anonymized. Patients can be given a private digital key that grants them full control over who can access their information. A researcher at a university could request access to a specific, non-identifiable part of your data for a study. You could then grant them temporary access using your key, and the entire transaction would be recorded transparently on the blockchain. You'd always know who is looking at your data, why, and when. This puts the power back in the hands of the patient. Second, let's talk about data integrity. Because each block is linked to the one before it, and the entire chain is verified by the network, it's virtually impossible to alter data once it's been recorded. If someone tried to change a single piece of information in one block, it would break the chain, and the network would immediately flag it as invalid. This ensures that researchers are working with data that is authentic and trustworthy, which is absolutely critical for scientific accuracy and drug development. No more worrying if results have been fudged or accidentally altered. Finally, blockchain fosters collaboration. It creates a trusted environment where different organizations can share data. Without giving up control, a biotech startup could share its genomic data with a large pharmaceutical company to collaborate on a new drug, with smart contracts automatically managing the terms of the agreement, licensing, and even royalty payments. The rules are coded directly into the blockchain, creating a seamless and transparent partnership. This breaks down the silos we talked about earlier, accelerating the pace of discovery. Imagine researchers from all over the world contributing to a single, secure database to find a cure for a rare disease. Blockchain makes that possible. In essence, blockchain provides the secure and transparent framework that the biotech industry desperately needs. It allows for the ethical and efficient sharing of data, which can speed up clinical trials, personalize medicine, and ultimately lead to better health outcomes for all of us. We're still in the early days, but the potential for blockchain to unlock the vast treasure trove of biomedical data is truly immense. It's not just about technology. It's about building a healthier future through collaboration and trust. What do you think about this synergy between biotech and blockchain? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your perspective. And if you found this video interesting and want to learn more about how technology is shaping our world, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.